Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to add rhinestones to a watch band. This project took me under an hour to complete, so it's a quick and easy one and a fun way to spice up a new or old watch band. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. I started with this cheap metal Apple Watch band. I've had it for a long time and the pink finish has started to wear off, so I decided it's time to spruce it up with some sparkle. For this project, I'm using E6000 glue. I find it easiest to spread this glue with plastic cuticle pusher sticks. I like to use a wax pencil that can be sharpened to pick up and place my rhinestones. I'm using light rose AB rhinestones in the size SS10. You can find links to all of the products I'm using in the description of this video. I started by spreading a thin layer of E6000 glue in the middle segment of the watch strap. I'm using just one size of rhinestone for this entire strap, and I picked up and placed my stones in a grid pattern, meaning the stones sit side by side both horizontally and vertically. This does leave a bit of space between the stones and quite a bit of the metal watch strap remains visible. So I would recommend doing this with a rhinestone color that matches or pairs well with the color of your watch strap. I continued this grid pattern across the entire watch band, spreading a thin layer of E6000 on a few segments at a time and placing my stones side by side, keeping them as straight and even as possible. Please be advised that E6000 is a toxic glue with harmful fumes that can irritate your skin and your lungs. When using this glue, I wear a mask and I work either outdoors or with open windows in a well-ventilated space. The reason I chose this glue is because it is industrial strength, and once it has fully cured, the attachment of the stones is extremely durable. And I don't know about you, but I am always whacking my watch strap off the walls and various other surfaces, so I need a nice strong glue. E6000 dries pretty quickly, so I try to work in pretty small sections at a time. The glue does come out of the tube faster than I'd like, so I end up using a bit more of it at a time than I would prefer, but I just try to work as fast as I can so that I don't waste too much glue as it spills out of the tube. But the cuticle sticks work really well to spread it out so that I don't end up with too much on my project surface. If you do make a mistake, it is possible to pry off your stones and replace them, but you should do this as soon as you can because the longer the glue dries, the stronger it becomes. I'd compare the consistency to hot glue where it's kind of rubbery and stringy, but as it dries it does become more and more solid, and you'll have a much harder time getting it off if you wait more than a few minutes to make your adjustments. So just keep an eye on the alignment of your stones and do your best to keep everything nice and straight as you go. I also tried not to get the glue too close to the edges of each of these metal segments because we still want them all to be able to move freely and form to the shape of the wrist. I used the pointier side of the cuticle stick in between the cracks of the segments to remove any excess glue and make sure nothing is getting stuck together that shouldn't be. Once I was done, I allowed the glue to dry for 24 hours before touching it. And here is the final result. The rhinestones have definitely given new life to this watch strap, and they'll give me a fun blingy option to wear with it. This is a great way to upcycle an old watch band and would also make a great stocking stuffer or gift idea for a friend. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see in the future. See you later!